Take a moment to settle into a position where your body feels supported. There's nothing you need to focus on. Nothing you need to figure out. If your eyes feel comfortable closing, allow them to close. If not, let your gaze soften. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice it moving in and out naturally. You don't need to guide it. Just allow it. With each exhale, your body becomes a little more at ease, a little more relaxed, a little more open. Your shoulders soften, your jaw loosens, your breathing settles into a calm, steady rhythm. Right now, you don't need to evaluate anything you hear. You don't need to decide if it's true. You're simply allowing information to pass through, like sound, like rhythm. Your mind can relax its need to analyze. It can rest. This is a state of receiving, of openness. You are not being asked to change. You are allowing alignment to return naturally. As you breathe, notice how your attention becomes quieter, more spacious. In this state, the mind is receptive, calm, stable. You don't need to try. You don't need to resist. You are open to gentle, supportive statements that guide you toward clarity and coherence. Take another slow breath in and let it out comfortably. Your system is ready to receive. Remain relaxed as you continue to breathe naturally. You may begin to notice a sense of internal quiet, a steady openness. From this place, alignment becomes simple. There is no longer a need for opposing signals. Your intentions and your actions move together. You experience clarity within yourself. Your inner direction feels consistent. There is no part of you working against another. All parts are allowed to cooperate. You are no longer pulled in different directions. Your system prefers coherence. It feels natural for your thoughts and actions to support each other. There is ease in this alignment. You experience a sense of internal agreement. A quiet yes that feels stable. Resistance dissolves when it's no longer needed. And right now, it isn't. You don't need to force change. Alignment happens gently. Your mind releases unnecessary hesitation. Your body remains calm and steady. There is nothing to fight, nothing to correct. Clarity replaces friction. Consistency replaces tension. You feel whole in your direction, centered in your choices. Take a slow breath in and let it out comfortably. This sense of coherence settles naturally. It becomes familiar. You remain open, relaxed, aligned. Remain as you are. Your mind is calm. Your body is steady. From this place, alignment integrates naturally. You experience yourself as someone who moves in alignment. Your actions reflect your intentions. There is a sense of internal agreement within you. Thoughts and actions support each other. You no longer feel divided. You feel coherent. Aligned action feels natural to you. You choose actions that feel right. You trust your inner direction. You follow through with calm certainty. There is no struggle within you, no internal resistance. You act from clarity, from steadiness, from self-trust. You experience consistency as a natural state, not something you force, not something you monitor. You move when it feels right. You pause when it feels right. Your system knows how to regulate itself. You are someone who honors your intentions. You act in ways that support your goals. There is no need to sabotage yourself. There is nothing to protect against. Alignment feels safe. Movement feels supported. Your choices feel integrated, whole, undivided. You feel calm confidence in your ability to follow through. Not urgency, not pressure, just steadiness. Your actions flow from who you are, not from effort, not from fear. This identity settles gently, without force. You don't need to remember these statements consciously. Your system integrates them naturally. Take a slow breath in and let it out comfortably. Aligned action is part of who you are. Notice how alignment feels in your body. Grounded, stable, clear. From this place, action arises naturally. You take steps that feel right. Not rushed, not delayed. Your body responds smoothly to your intentions. movement feels easy to begin. You follow through calmly, without resistance, without second-guessing. Each action feels coherent. It makes sense to your system. You trust yourself to move when it's time. You trust yourself to pause when needed. There is no inner conflict around action, only clarity. Your energy supports what you choose. Your focus remains steady. You experience momentum without force, consistency without pressure. Small actions feel complete. They don't need to be dramatic. You act in ways that align with who you are becoming, naturally, reliably. There is satisfaction in this alignment, a quiet sense of completion. Your body learns this pattern. Action followed by ease. Movement followed by stability. You don't need to push yourself. Alignment guides you. Take a slow breath in and let it out gently. This way of moving becomes familiar, comfortable, sustainable. Begin to bring gentle attention back to the present moment. Notice the surface supporting your body, the steadiness beneath you. The alignment you've established doesn't disappear as you return. It becomes part of how you move forward. You don't need to think about it. You don't need to manage it. Alignment is now familiar, natural, accessible. Your actions continue to reflect your intentions. Consistency feels calm and steady. There is no struggle within you, no inner conflict pulling you in different directions. You trust yourself. You move when it's right. You pause when it's right. This balance supports you. Take a slightly deeper breath in and let it out slowly. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. Your fingers, your hands, your shoulders. Feel yourself becoming more alert, present, grounded. When your eyes feel ready, allow them to open softly. Let the room come back into focus at its own pace. Take one final breath in and release it comfortably. You return with a quiet sense of alignment, a steady relationship with action, and an ease around following through.